Hi guys, so I just got myself a new mobile phone, as you can see on the table. So can you guess what it is? If you can't guess, I'll tell you. This is an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Say it after me. 12 Pro Max. Yeah, gang. So yeah, I decided to have something new for a change because I've been an Android user all my life, as you can see. And I still rock with Androids, but I just needed something for a change. And I said, why not this 12 Pro Max? Because so yeah, I'm going to be unboxing this phone with you, but not only are we going to be unboxing the phone, we're also going to be doing a review. So I'm going to be shooting different locations in Abuja, different types of videos. You should watch out for that one. But before that, let's unbox this phone. So come along. So here we go with unboxing the phone. First off, am I getting a refund? This pack is so small. Anyway, let's open it. Okay, this is something. Honestly, forget the refund. I'm really impressed with this packaging. All right. Okay. All right. So first up, you see the phone. Well, let's leave that first. And there are like normal. Wait, where's my charger? My earpiece uncle. Wow, interesting. So we have pieces of paper, basically instructions. I'm not going to read this, obviously. So this is my power cord, the Type C to Lightning cord for powering my phone. So does it stand in as a charger? Anyway, we will find out. So yeah, finally the phone. Okay, let's do this. Oh my god, I'm super excited. This is amazing. Wow, this is clean. This is good. So now I've opened the phone and this looks good. It looks clean. But bro, you need like a screen protector because this is land. This is land right here. So if you're getting this phone, definitely get yourself a screen protector. But first glance, it looks good. It's mad. And it looks like it can actually stand on its own, but I won't try it now, just yet. So yeah, this is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's coming on. I'm so excited. Hello. So yeah, this is what I get at first. And I definitely got myself a screen guard, like I said, a protector, because man's not trying to have this thing fall out anytime. So yeah, this is mine. And if you're trying to get this phone, definitely get yours. So there we go. Okay, so this is the phone in real time. It looks beautiful, it looks glorious. I love the matte finish behind, and this color, wonderful, right? So it also has this structure by the side. I don't know, like, it's really beautiful. I don't know who thought of this, but that person is genius, and it can stand on its own. You'll definitely be seeing that as we go on. And it's fingerprint magnetic, so you definitely need a case like I have mine. So you don't want to go around dropping this phone or have your fingerprints all over the place because it's messy. So yeah, definitely get your case for that. And I would also be telling you why we don't have a charging brick or charger head, as we like to call it, because I don't know why I bought this phone and did not give me charger. Earpiece, we already know that they've given up on earpiece a long time ago. So yeah, we're giving you reasons why there is no charging brick. Also, during this review, we'll be taking you to different locations in Abuja, Nigeria, to just give you a feel of what it's like using this 12 Pro Max. We'll give you pictures, audio, videos, everything. So why would you want to miss out on that video? Alright, so this is it, real time first impressions. Love it. I can't wait to see what this big guy is up to, and I can't wait for you to see what we have for you. So until next time, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe button is here, and like our video somewhere around here. And yeah, that's it. This is brought to you by every NG, and I want you to stay safe and have fun. Until next time, my name is Judith. Bye.